What if I told you an easy looking string problem can test you whether you are really understand loops and counting laws? Today's problem is LeetCode 2114 maximum number of words found in a sentence. And the best part, we solve it using just a simple traversal and a counting space. Perfect beginner problem for interview and DSA practice. Let's start. Hey, my name is Utkarsh and welcome back to the channel. And today we are solving the little problem 2014 maximum number of words found in a sentence. This problem is super beginner friendly and helps you to improve string traversal, loops, and counting logic. So let's read the problem and understand. A sentence of a list of words that's separated by a single space with no leading or a trailing space. You are given an integer or string sentence which where each sentence I represent a single sentence. Return the maximum number of words that appear in a single sentence. So in the simple words, we are given a vector of string called sentence. Each string contains a multiple words separated by a space. Our task is to return the maximum number of words present in any sentence. So let's understand this with the example. So here you can see a sentence array containing the multiple sentences. Alice and Bob love LeetCode code. I think so too. This is the great. Thanks very much. So as you can see in the first sentence, we have uh, only four words. Same second sentence has contain only four four words. But in the third sentence, this contains the six words, so our output is six. Because the third sentence contains the maximum number of words, so we return that count. So our main logic to solve this question is that the we know that the number of words is equal to number of space plus one. So for every sentence, counting space we count space, add one, and update the maximum number. So let's see the code and then understand it line by line. Let's understand the code line by line. So we initialize in max is equal to 0. We created a variable maxi. This store the maximum number of words found so far. In step 2, we have created the string for loop string s sentence. This loop traverses every sentence one by one. Then we initialize words is equal to 1. Why? Because if a sentence has no space, then if it still contain a word, then we create an inner loop. This loop traverses every character in a current sentence. Then from the if condition, we check whether the current character is space. Then if a space is found, it means a new word exists and we increase the word count. Now we update the maximum. We compare the current word count with the maximum answer and store the bigger value in the maxi. Now we return the max number. So the space complexity of this question is O of 1 because we are using only a few variables, and the time complexity of this question is O n cross m, where the n is the number of sentence and m is the average or length. So the important observation is that you can also move this line outside the inner loop for slightly cleaner code in max this code, because we only need to update the maximum number after counting the complete sentence. So, and that's how we solve the lead code problem, maximum number of words found in a sentence. This is a great beginner problem for practicing loop, string, and counting logic. In this video, if this video helped you, like and subscribe and comment which LeetCode problem you want next. Thank you for watching.